Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Selenium Python training program. So today we are going to discuss how to install Selenium for Python. So here we have a listed down all the steps. To proceed further, what I'm doing means I'm navigating to my Selenium official website downloads page. And here, if you scroll down, from this website itself, we can download any component related to Selenium and we can download everything from here. See, if you observe Selenium client and WebDriver language binding. In order to create a script that interact with the Selenium server or local Selenium WebDriver scripts, you need to make sure that you have a language specific client drivers. Okay, language specific client drivers. So whatever the programming language you want to use, you need to choose respective drivers. So what I'm going to do as per our training program, we just want to see how can we use the Selenium with respect to Python programming. See here, Python programming is having a 3.141.0 and there is a download button. Clicking on this download button is a navigating to a Python page where it's navigating to a complete Selenium project. See here, Selenium 3.141.0 pip install Selenium. So they have given a command how to install this one. Guys, if you remember pip, when we have installed a Python, by default with the latest version of Python, we are getting this pip. Using this pip, we can install any component or any packages which are built on top of a Python. So here there is a library which they have built for Selenium. You can use this command in order to install that particular one. Okay, so let us see the various details what they have listed down in the project description. Introduction: Python language binding for Selenium WebDriver. The Selenium package is used to automate web browser interactions from Python. Okay, that's fine. And here, this is the Selenium official website. This is a package API. If you navigate to this package API, it contains the list of commands, the user actions, what exactly we can perform. So slowly we are going to study about these options one after another, and then the DAO community and all other information they have listed down here. Several browsers are supported like a Firefox, a Chrome, Internet Explorer, as well as a remote protocol also will be supported. Okay, that's fine. So in order to work on Selenium, we are using Python, but there should be some version restrictions, right? Supported Python versions are Python 2.7 or 3.4 plus. Above 3.4, whichever the version might be, we can use it. If you remember, we have installed a Python 3.8 some version. To cross check that, Python hyphen version. See here, my version is a 3.8, which is meeting these requirements. And then installing. If you have a pip on your system, you can simply install or upgrade to your Python bindings using pip install -u space Selenium. With this, the Selenium is going to be installed. Okay, that's fine. They have a given down how to install this one. So as we have opened down the command prompt, and if you remember, at the time of a Python installation itself, we updated the environmental variables. So wherever you are in a command prompt, you can directly access the Python. So here they have a given command as pip install -u space Selenium. Let me type it. Pip install -u space Selenium. Let me see whether I have given it in a proper way or not. See, pip install -u Selenium, and I hit enter button in a command prompt. Whenever you hit an enter button in a command prompt, it will try to connect to that particular project and it will get all the information from the Python central repository, and it will be downloading the complete information into your machine. See here, installing the collected packages and successfully installed Selenium 3 dot this version they have a mentioned here. See here, successfully installed 3.141 package. Okay, good enough, done the deal. So what I'm doing right now means I just want to use a certain pip commands to see where exactly my Selenium component got installed. So switch back to the word paint document. Pip list is a command. So here, what I'm going to do right now means open the command prompt and type pip space list. So what is a list is going to do means it will be listing down all the components related to the Python which were installed to your machine. See here the package and as well as a version. See, pip is a package which got installed. Selenium is a package which got installed. So it is displaying in a list with which we can confirm that this got installed successfully. But one thing is, I just want to see the physical folder where exactly it got installed. So here, what I can do means pip show that particular package name. Pip show whatever the package you want, you can type in the package. See here in my machine, these are all the four packages which it got installed. See, these are all the four packages which it got installed. And from those packages, I want to go with the show Selenium. Okay, show Selenium. Let me clear this and let me hit enter button after show Selenium. So as soon as you hit enter button in a show Selenium, see here name is Selenium, this is the version, and summary is Python binding for Selenium. This is a home page, other and license, and this is a location. See users app data local Python. See, this is a location which it got mentioned. Copy this location, open a folder, and navigate to that particular folder what it has listed down. See, it has a Selenium package and all other components related to the Selenium got picked and installed here successfully. So this is the way how to install Selenium to your machine. Okay, for a Python library. And now once I am done up to here, let me switch back to the official website documentation itself. They have a given something. See, so far we completed up to the installation and they have a given some more information. Let's walk through that information and see what they have a given that info. Selenium requires a driver interface with the chosen browser that needs to be installed. So what exactly that one means? See here, assume that you want to run your test script on a Firefox. It requires a Gecko driver, which needs to be installed before the examples we have to run. Make sure that you have updated here in this particular part some kind of an information it is displaying. Okay, so my majority of the situations, I want to execute my test scripts on a Chrome browser, and I'm choosing this a Chrome option. And see, there is a link. I'm trying to open it in a new tab. So whenever I open that a Chrome option in a new tab, this kind of an options are getting displayed. See, supports a Chrome 80 version, some exe files are there, some 79. So the list of versions are getting displayed in detail about this Chrome driver or WebDriver for Chrome. This page we will study moving further. For now, we are focusing about an installation. Whenever you want to see a practical examples, then we will see this particular one. Maybe in the next lecture, we will study this one. Okay, for now, I'm just closing this window and switching back to this Selenium website. And here, guys, they have given some examples. Example 0, example 1, to multiple examples they have given for us. So what I will do means let us try to explore these examples and see how whether we were able to execute these examples or not. So let us start our next session with this example itself. Thank you. Bye bye.